Deepa Nichinali. I hope you are doing well. So today in chapter number 12, let's can be share. We will see further exercise. Now let's start. Divide with the help of tables. Now tables we have already learned. Yes. Now this we have to done with the help of tables. This division. Yes. Now 6 divide by 2. Now when 6 comes in table of 2, yes, 3s are. So here we will write 3. Yes. Now 18 divide by 6. Now when 18 comes in table of 6, yes, 6 3s are. So here it will come 3. Yes, 6 3s are 18. Now next one, 32 divide by 4. Now when 32 comes in table of 4, yes, 8s are. So here it will come 8. Okay. Now 70 divide by 10. Now when 70 comes in table of 10, yes, 7s are. 10 7s are 70. So here it will come 7. Now 9 divide by 3. Now when 9 comes in table of 3, yes, 3 3s are 9. So here it will come 3. Now let's see next one. 35 divide by 7. Now when 35 comes in table of 7, yes, 7 5s are. So here it will come 5. Yes. Now 40 divide by 4. Now when 40 comes in table of 4, 10s are. So here it will come 10. Yes. 72 divide by 9. Now when 72 comes in table of 9, yes, 8s are. So here it will come 8. Yes. Now 25 divide by 5. Now when 25 comes in table of 5, yes, 5s are. 5 5s are 25. So here it will come 5. Now 12 divide by 4. Now when 12 comes in table of 4, yes, 3s are. So here it will come 3. Now 21 divide by 7. Now when 21 comes in table of 7, 3s are. Yes. So here it will come 3. Now let's read it. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 4 8s are 32. 10 7s are 70. 3 3s are 9. Yes. 7 5s are 35. 4 10s are 40. 9 8s are 72. 5 5s are 25. 4 3s are 12. And 7 3s are 21. Understood how to do this division with the help of tables? Yes. Now students, let's see another exercise divide. 48 divide by 2. Now let us do it. 48 divide by 2. The number to be divided is called dividend. The number by which it gets divided is called divisor. Yes. Now let us do it. First of all, we will see the digit that comes in tens place. Yes. Now here it's written 4. Now when 4 comes in table of 2, yes, 2 2s are 4. So here we will write 2 and here we will write 4. We will just subtract it. Yes. Now 4 minus 4, yes, you will get 0. Now we will just bring this 8 down. Okay. Now when 8 comes in table of 2, yes, 2 4s are 8. So here we will write 4 and here we will write 8. Okay. Now here as it is 0 will come. Now 8 minus 8, yes, you will get 0 only. The number left over is called remainder. Yes. Now the answer obtained is called quotient, that you can see this 24. So here it will come 24. Okay. Now let's do another one. 69 divided by 3. Okay. 69 divided by 3. Now when 6 comes in table of 3, yes, 3 2s are 6. So here we will write 2 and here we will place 6. Now 6 minus 6, you will get 0. Now we will just bring down this 9. Okay. Now when 9 comes in table of 3, yes, 3 3s are 9. So here it will come 3 and here it will come 9. Okay. Now here as it is 0 will come. Now 9 minus 9, yes, 0. So here you got the answer 23. Yes. So here we will write 2, 3, 23. Now let us see another one. 26 divided by 2. Let us do it. 26 divided by 2. Now when 2 comes in table of 2, yes, 2 ones are 2. So here we will write 1. Okay. And here we will write 2. Now 2 minus 2, yes, you will get 0. And here it will come 6. Now when 6 comes in table of 2, yes, 2 3s are 6. So here we will write 3. Yes. And here we will write 6. Now we will just subtract this. Here it will come 0 only. Yes. And here 6 minus 6 is, yes, 0. So here you got answer 13. Yes. So here we will write 1, 3, 13. Now let's see next. 80 divided by 8. Now let's do it. 88 divided by 8. Now when 8 comes in table of 8, yes, 8 ones are 8. So here we will write 1 and here we will write 8. Now we will just subtract it, okay. Now 8 minus 8, yes, you will get 0. And this 8, you will just bring down, okay. Now again 8 ones are 8, okay. We will just subtract this. Now this 0, here it will come 0 only. Now 8 minus 8 is 0. So the answer you got, that is 11. So here we will write 11. Yes. Now see, 24 2s are 48. You got? Yes. 23 3s are 69. You can see. 13 2s are 26. 11 8s are 88. Like this you have to do. Yes, with the help of tables. Let's see some more examples of division. Yes, 72 divided by 3. Now let us do. 72 divided by 3. Now here you can see it's written 7 in tens place. That we have to look first. Yes. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 2s are is 6. 3 3s are 9. Now 9 is greater than 7. So we will take 3 2s are 6. So here we will write 2 and here we will write 6. Okay, and we will just subtract it. Now 7 minus 6 you will do, then what you will get? Yes, 1. And you will just place this 2 down. So it will become 12. Now when 12 comes in table of 3, yes, 3 4s are 12. So here it will come 4. And here we will write 12. Now 12 minus 12 is, yes, 0 0 you will get. Yes. So here it will come 0 0. Now the answer you got, that is 24. Yes. Now let us see next one. 98 divided by 7. Okay. Now let's see. 98 divided by 7. Now we will see that number that comes in tens place, that you can see this 9. Now 7 ones are 7, then 7 2s are 14. Now 14 is greater than 9. So we will take 7 ones are 7. So here I will write 1 and here I will write 7. Now 9 minus 7. So yes, it will come 2. And we will just bring down this 8. Now this will become 28. Now when 28 comes in table of 7, yes, 7 4s are. So here it will come 4 and here we will write 28 and we will just subtract this. Okay. So we will get 0 0. Yes. Now here the answer you got, that is 14. So here we will write 1 4 14. Yes. Now let's see next one. 54 divided by 2. Now let us see. 54 divide by 2. Now here you can see it's written 5. Yes. Now in table of 2, 5 doesn't come. Yes. Now let us see. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are is 6. Means 6 is greater than 5. Yes. So we will take 2 twos are 4. Yes. Now 5 minus 4. If we will do. Yes. So here it will come 1. And we will just bring down this 4. Here. Okay. Now it will become 14. Now when 14 comes in table of 2. Yes. 2 sevens are 14. So here it will come 7 and here we will write 14. Now 14 minus 14, yes, we will get 0, 0 only, yes. So the answer is 27. So here we will write 27, yes. Now next one, 40 divided by 4, yes. So we will write here 40 divided by 4. Now, when 4 comes in table of 4, yes, 4 ones are 4. So here we will write 1 and here we will write 4. Now 4 minus 4, you will get 0. Yes. Now we will just place down this 0 down. Now, any number multiplied by 0, you will get 0 only.